Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum and we are out here at the range today to do Varusteleka's Remote Brutality 2025. This is a two-stage match. You can shoot it with either rifle or pistol, so we're going to do it once with each. It is called Death by Burpees, which I'm sure is going to be fun. And the basic course of fire is from the position, you make a hit, do 2 burpees, make another hit, and then move to the next position, and you just do that 6 times. We have the actual official stage description linked in the description text below. So this is open for about a full month, basically all of October, and there's a cool raffle for participants. You can check out Varusteleka's page for all of those details, but we're gonna go ahead and do it. I am here in my fantastic suit from Grayman and Company, which has all sorts of nice tactical additions. It's got wear patches on the inside of the jacket so you can carry with it. It's got RFID pockets for keeping sensitive data protected. It's got mag pouches built into the trouser line, and it's tailored to look fantastic. So I figured Honey Badger in 300 shooting subsonic should be a nice counterpart there. And let's go ahead and get set to start.
What is he thinking? Doing challenge without armor?
Hello?
Hi, it's Jari.
Jari? How can you even see this?
You're not wearing armor. You should wear armor.
No, I'm wearing a suit. I wasn't gonna... I have to wear armor. Okay, well, I didn't bring armor out with me.
That's no problem. Can you see that cactus?
I see. That one?
Yeah. Go there.
Okay.
There's no armor. You can wear that. No problem at all. It's just in case cached there.
Yeah, that, you in fact...
Yeah, precisely.
How did you do that?
Go get some. Yeah.
All right, well...
Have a good one.
I guess we're using armor. Thanks, Jari. Fortunately, the suit does work with armor. Just going to conveniently move the closure button from double-breasted no armor mode to single-breasted with armor mode. I mean, normally I'd wear the armor under my shirt, but we're on short notice here, so let's do this.
Ready.
Ready?
Stand by.
Put you back in. Whew. That was some cardio. What was my time?
1:05:09.
All right, now, this was intended to be shot on steel, and I misread it. All of those shots have to be C-zone or better, or I take a 60-second penalty per. Let's go see what they were. All right, it's 12 hits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes. All right. Excellent. Now I'm going to take a minute to recover. Then we're going to do it with pistol. All right, for a suitably swanky pistol to complement the Honey Badger and the awesome suit, I decided to go with a Vulcan 9, a Lionheart Vulcan 9, with a B&T Verse 36 suppressor on it, complete with the Nielsen device. You may have seen this pistol before. And then I have a Gideon Judge XL on here, which is, like everything else on this setup is pretty high end. This is a really affordable optic, and it's specifically meant for plinking and competition shooting because it's got a huge window on it there, which is, it's really cool. Like there isn't anyone else doing sort of a standard footprint with a big, huge mount for pistols. So we're gonna see how that does for me. I have once again deliberately downloaded my first magazine. I'll be reloading from the Grayman mag pouch there, built into the trousers. I was supposed to start with this holstered, but I'm not, so.
Stand by.
Whoa, that was close. What was it?
1:10:97.
I did it again, under par. Oh, I don't think I was quite fully recovered, but I did it. If my hits are all good.
I just want to say, I'm tired and out of breath from just watching.
Oh, it's not 100 degrees yet. It's gonna get there today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. Yes. All right, I'm gonna go take my armor off. All right, back to no armor, just a nicely fitted suit, double-breasted now for being a little tighter. If I can do this, by the way, I'm filming this in early September in August, and it's 90-something out here in a suit and armor. you guys can do it back home. It's open for the entire month. Make Yari proud. Give it a try. Even if you fail, it's worth trying. Find out. Enjoy yourselves, because didn't I? I looked like I had so much fun. Anyway, big thanks to Yari and Varusteleka for setting this up. It was a really cool idea for a remote brutality match, since the next Finnish Brutality isn't going to be happening until next summer. This, by the way, for regular channel viewers, you may be thinking, Ian was planning on wearing a suit at Lynx Brutality. And in fact, this is the one. We had some FedEx issues with it and Slovenian customs issues, so I didn't have it for Lynx. But I figured, hey, we'll use it for Remote Brutality. If you're interested in something like this, it's super cool. Tailored both to fit very nicely as a double-breasted jacket, plain, or as a single-breasted jacket over hard rifle plates, as you saw. Like, really neat. And all sorts of other custom options available from Grayman. Surgeon cuffs, RFID lined pockets, wear protective patches for carrying, mag pouches in the trouser line, you name it. Ton of stuff. We've got an affiliate link in the description text below for Grayman for that. Sunglasses and gloves are also theirs. They're awesome. So if you want to help them out, check out their awesome stuff. Whew. And I'm going to go find yet more water. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching me almost kill myself. Thanks for watching. Wait, what? Ah, perkele.